In this video, I'll show you how to add a GitHub bot to Discord. Adding a GitHub bot to Discord is useful if you want to receive repository updates directly inside your server. For example, you can get notifications when someone pushes code, opens an issue, creates a pull request, or makes a new release. First, open Discord and choose the server where you want GitHub updates to appear. Make sure you have permission to manage the server or manage integrations. Then, create or choose a channel for the updates. Many people create a channel called GitHub, Dev Updates, or Project Notifications to keep these messages organized. Next, go to the channel settings and look for integrations or webhooks. Create a new webhook, give it a clear name like GitHub bot, and copy the webhook URL. This URL is what connects GitHub to your Discord channel. Now open GitHub and go to the repository you want to connect. Click Settings, then choose Webhooks from the left side menu. Click Add Webhook. Paste the Discord webhook URL into the payload URL field. To make it work properly with Discord, add /github at the end of the webhook URL. Then set the content type to application/JSON. After that, choose which events should trigger messages. You can select only push events or choose individual events such as issues, pull requests, releases, and comments. Click Add Webhook to save it. GitHub may send a test request, and you should see a notification appear in your Discord channel if everything is connected correctly. If messages do not appear, check that the webhook URL is correct, the channel still exists, and the GitHub repository settings were saved properly. Once connected, your Discord server will automatically receive GitHub activity updates, making it easier for your team to track project progress in one place. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.